Hello and welcome to Ross & Park Motors. Another new arrival here today, Peugeot 208 2014 on a 14 plate, 86,000 miles, very good service history. We've just done a wet belt on it as well. The clutch was a little bit juddery, so you've had a new clutch kit fitted. It's just been serviced and it will come with a brand new MOT as well, 3 months parts and labour warranty. It's a 1.2 active petrol, so the active's got alloys, it's got touchscreen media, Bluetooth streaming. They are a nice spec car, very popular with new drivers, and it is very clean. Inside particularly, very nice. And nice seats. It is a nice car. Cheap road tax, £20 a year. Can't go too far wrong with one of these. More pictures on the website, it's rossandparkmotors.co.uk, or you can give us a call, 07868 722 133.